Life is a game of stacking books. Every book is an experience, a lesson learned. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's useful, sometimes it's boring, sometimes you like the book and you just don't know why, and sometimes you forget stuff. Each book is an experience. It represents a skill, an achievement, a piece of knowledge, a lesson to be learned. Might be a stupid thing that you did, a loss, a win. Some stuff are not important. Others are important, and some other books are even more important. You carefully add books, making your stack taller and taller as time goes by, and confidence is building up your stack, allowing you to expand your knowledge and take on new challenges. The more you build your stack, the more confident you are, and effective communication is a key component of that confidence, as it helps you connect with others and express your ideas clearly. Humility is about recognizing that your stack of books, while impressive, can be improved. There is always more to learn, more books to be added, more books to rearrange, more books to have better foundations. Humility is also learning from others and recognizing that they have their own type of books. And you can combine your stack together so as to make better and more robust foundations and maybe build up stacks that are just higher together. Being overconfident is stacking your books, going higher and higher, and just being sure that you have all the best books to go higher, and that you have the best foundations. And you might be right, or you might be wrong. But the thing is, it's somehow believing that you don't need others to go higher. You don't need their books to go higher. You don't need to communicate effectively with them and learn from them. But the thing is, with being overconfident, is that eventually you reach a point where your stack falls and your tower collapses. So, carry on building your stacks with humility, and if your stack falls, take a deep breath, grab the best books, and start stacking again, cautiously this time.